Hi, today we're going to see how to create a mesh gradient background in Photopea. So the first thing I need to do is to create a new image, go to File, New, and I'm going to select the 1920 by 1080. So now I'm just going to use this layer here, I just need one layer. And now let's select the brush tool, there's one here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the color. For example, I will change it to this blue here, press OK. So I'm going to increase the size. So here like this. For the hardness, I'm going to keep everything like this. Now I'm just going to paint like this. So now let's change the color one more time. I'm going to select this purple here. And now I'm just going to add another color, this pink here, this. You can still, for example, just let's select the other one. So here it is, I'm going to leave it like this. And now we just need to blur this layer. So go to filters, blur, and then Gaussian blur. So here it is, I'm going to move the window up. And now I just need to increase the blur. So here it is. If you increase too much, so just increase it to your liking. So I think I'm going to leave it here like this and now press OK. So here it is. That's how you can create a mesh gradient background in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.